question is on the textual authenticity of the Quran. First, when Abu Bakr commanded Zayd to gather the text together, he did that. But there is also written in Al Bukhari, volume number 5, page 96, Abdul ibn Masud, he was the authority mentioned by Muhammad. He gathered a text. Then Salim, the freed slave, he gathered a text, and also Ubay ibn Ka'b, a master reciter mentioned by Muhammad. And there are also other people who compiled their text. But when Usman became the Khalifa, he ordered Zayed to make replicas, 7 replicas of his text and sent it to the different parts and ordered those previous texts to be burned. Now, if those master reciters compiled the Quran and Usman ordered those texts to be burned, now there raises a question on the authenticity of the Quran.
MashaAllah. Brother knows about Ibn Masud, may Allah be pleased with him, about Zayd ibn Thabit, may Allah be pleased with him. MashaAllah. Many of the Muslims will not know those names. Brother, as far as the question is concerned, the people who compiled the Quran, there was a group of Sahaba, the companions of the Prophet. Whenever Prophet got a revelation, he repeated it to these scribes. And suppose, Iqra bismi rabbika allazi khalaq, khalaqal insana min alaq. He got the revelation, and Prophet, mashallah, very good memory. Allah saw to it that he retained the memory. He repeated it. When he repeated it, these scribes wrote down. The Prophet personally verified. He was an ummi. How did he verify? Okay, read it now. Iqra bismi rabbika allazi khalaq. Ah, correct. So Prophet personally verified when he was alive, whatever was written down of the Quran, whether it was perfect or not. And these scribes, they were selected by the Prophet, and that's how when the revelation came in 22.5 years, all was written down and later compiled in one book. All supervised by Prophet Muhammad, even the order. Now, later on, there were many other people, whenever the Prophet said a verse was revealed, they used to write in his own notes. Many sahabas. But this private notes of the other people weren't checked by the Prophet. So what happened later on, there were many variants version of the Quran. Version means people thought their own notes to be the real Quran. And when Islam spread, people did not know which was the real Quran. So at that time, whatever the compiled copy was there, when Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, during these scribes, it was then in the hand of the wife of Prophet, Hazrat Hafsa, may Allah be pleased with her. And then Usman ordered that copy, may Allah be pleased with him, and had a replication so that it could be sent to different parts of the world. And then he said, whatever copy you have, whether right or wrong, you burn it. Because that hasn't been verified. So people had their own notes. Hope that answers the question.